Well, welcome back, it's Fraser Lee, his YouTube channel, just doing some test videos with the JR products in the test kitchen. This is the JR Ultra Touch 2 Quantum brushless blender, as seen in many other videos now, doing nut butters and so on, nut butters, ice creams, etc. This is the most versatile blender now on the market. It's got the brushless motor, so it can give the best results with the least power, so it's more power efficient. The new brushless motor technology. Check out the other videos to explain why the brushless motor technology is the most technically advanced. This is the top blender that JR do, and actually one of the top blenders on the market at the moment. At the time of this video, I think only this blender and one or two others in the entire world have this brushless technology. So any that follow, remember JR were one of the first. So what we're doing, real quick video, a couple of minutes long. I just want to show you cleaning. So we've done in one of the other videos a homemade natural ice cream. Check it out, just with berries and yogurt and banana and honey. So it's just a homemade natural ice cream, no dairy, dairy free, and it's made this in the jar. It's very dirty, so I just want to show you it being cleaned. So I'm just going to put some detergent and water in it and come back in a second. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. Small cut, thanks for that, thanks for waiting. That was only a moment in the cut. What we're going to do now, I've just filled it with a little bit of water, washing up liquid, to show you the easiest thing in the world to clean. You haven't got to take the blades out, you haven't got to scrub it. If you're doing nut butters and date pastes, now look, I mean that's just brutal. Nut butters and date pastes are brutal. They might have to just wipe up some residue, but for general use, just to clean it, fill it with detergent, bit of water, and then just run a quick blend. And essentially what happens is the blades clean themselves. If there's any residue left up here where the water hasn't quite reached, you just wipe that down. But the main area that's hard to clean in any blender is down around the blades. The blades generally will just clean themselves. So you can pick any kind of preset here to do it, but we can just ramp it up with the there we go, ramp it up with the speed slider. Full speed. When you use the slider, it immediately goes up, just starts at a minute. You can actually see as well, that is full speed. No other blender, commercial high-powered blender, is this quiet. So although it's making a noise, of course, it's a high-powered machine. This is comparable to the high-powered Vitamix models, Blendtec models. I would not be able to continue talking to you like this using the other machines. That is blending on high power, and I'll tell you what, you could use that in the morning or in the evening and you wouldn't wake your house up. So that's just clean. You can actually see it's clean in the jar. Could have stopped it by now, but hey, 1 minute, why not? Make sure it's clean. Gives off a beep when we're finished. That's just the fan noise you'll hear. So what you'll see, that's the detergent water, but you can see it's already cleaned up the top. So I'll just pour it out and show you the result on that. Okay, so I've just given that a quick pour out at the sink, and you can see, as I said, obviously a little bit of purple left from the ice cream at the top, where obviously the blades in the water don't get to. But when you're rinsing that under the tap to get rid of the soap suds, that'll get rid of the top sections. But if you actually look at the blades, they're spotless. So that was covered in ice cream, thick, sticky ice cream made at home. And that's completely spotless. So all you need to do now is just give it a rinse out, a wipe off, stick it upside down on your draining board, which is the recommendation from JR. Stick it upside down on your draining board so it drain out, so you don't get any nasty build-up of water down the bottom. And your cleaning's done. So there's not really any scrubbing to do under the tap. Just put detergent and water in and run a blend, and it just cleans itself. So not only is it the best blender on the market, it self-cleans. Pretty good. Thanks very much. We'll do more videos. Check back. Let us know if there's anything you want to see us blending, any recipes, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks a lot. Bye.